How to fix failed to load Onlinefix64.dll from the list error code 126. Many antivirus tools flag Onlinefix64.dll as suspicious, often labeled Trojan, Packed VM Protect, or Hack Tool. Malware removal sites such as SensorTech and Malware Tips explicitly list it as a Trojan threat. Malware sandboxes detect malicious behavior in the file. So this file is typically associated with pirated and cracked games, where it acts as a DRM bypass. That definitely sets off antivirus alarms, but it can also carry real malware depending on where you download the game from. So what you should do is avoid bypass DLLs entirely. If you need the software, get it through official legal channels. Never use cracked versions. If you already downloaded it, do not whitelist it. Instead, perform a full antivirus scan or simply just remove it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.